This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Right, we're actually at an Ioniq charger right now, but anyway, so let's look at the result now. So you see, the C40 was a little bit faster, 1/10 of a second faster than the XC40. They have the exact same battery and motor, except for that the C40 is 20 kilos lighter than the XC40. Right, what the heck? Wait, there's a missing. Oh, let me just edit some live data here. Yeah, okay, there we go. That's how I roll. Sysadmins, raise your hands. No, but anyway, so yeah, why was it faster than 1/10 of a second faster? Was it because of 20 kilos, or was it something else? Maybe the C40 has. I mean, I know the C40 has a 4 centimeter lower ground clearance, and maybe it's better for grip and for acceleration, for handling in general. That could be it, but it's a quick car. I consider everything faster than 5 seconds to be quick. And then as for noise, let me see where that was XC40, and then the C40 is here. So again, if you look at the numbers here, 65, very neck and neck. I'm not sure what happened with this one, but here also very close. So it could be on this measurement that there was a truck passing by on the opposite side, but at least I make sure that there is no cars on my direction at least. But again, same tires, same tire dimension, almost the same car, but yeah, very close when it comes to noise. And then how quiet is this then? Compared to other cars, yeah, I consider it's fairly quiet, so that's my verdict after testing this car. I mean, it's not dead quiet, it's not dead silent like the German cars, but it's still very good. So, and also as for speed, it's quick and it's fun to drive. And I actually like the C40 better than the XC40, simply because this car sits 4 centimeters lower towards the ground. So anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.